The time has here. The number of Shiba Inus in question is in the trillions. It appears that a really historic moment is about to occur. Shytoshi sparked an unprecedented level of enthusiasm. Things really spiraled out of hand, as I can now attest. But how is this really playing out? Okay, I'll explain, caveat emptor. Shiba Inu is causing quite a stir in the Bitcoin community after a spectacular 12% spike in just one day. Spotlight's market value surpassed Cardano's. The attention of crypto aficionados worldwide has been captured by this unexpected twist. Still, that's not the end of the tale. There is more to this digital asset than meets the eye, as hinted at by Shiba Inu's metrics, which suggest that it has even more surprises in store. In light of this noteworthy accomplishment, Lucy, the ecosystem's marketing lead for Shiba Inus, took to social media to share the news. Yes, Kuro, it too. Also adding their 2 cents was a well-known Japanese Shiba Inu owner, and thus. Alright, let's begin. I want to stress that Shiba Inu is again among the top 10 cryptocurrencies. Shiba Inu has reached a significant milestone. It was last at this level on March 4th, when its price surged by an astounding 177% in a week, setting new records. Nevertheless, the thrill was fleeting as the Shiba Inu's price plummeted once more due to heavy selling pressure, relegating it to the 11th spot. The fact that Shiba Inu is once again among the top 10 is, without a question, encouraging news. This revival gives investors hope and faith in the future of the cryptocurrency. It gains credibility and confidence among Shiba Inu supporters by making them believe the breed can compete with well-established competitors. Also, Shiba Inus get a lot of attention when they make it into the top 10. There are hundreds upon thousands of digital assets competing for investors' dollars in the cryptocurrency market, but Shiba Inu is the first breed to crack the top 10. Ranking in the top 10 is quite an accomplishment. Shiba Inu has strong fundamentals, strong market demand, and a loyal fan base, which sends a signal to the wider crypto community and possible investors. Investor interest is piqued by this increased visibility. It draws in partnerships, media attention, and possible collaborations, all of which help to elevate Shiba Inu's profile in the cryptocurrency industry. There has been a remarkable $1.5 billion increase in the trade volume of Shiba Inus recently. Topping the list of top 10 cryptocurrencies is Shiba Inu. Shiba Inus are now worth $1.5 billion. Overnight trade volume for Shiba Inus increased by 139%. A total of 8.3 trillion Shiba Inu tokens were moved in the last 24 hours, indicating a boom in trading activity. The stage is set for the coin to continue growing with such a big volume. That Shiba Inu has grown at a snail's pace this month is important. Background information. Despite the price decline over the last month, the growth rate has recently increased. Verifies that there is still a lot of money being put into Shiba Inus. Shiba Inu plans to drop a zero soon, thanks to its recent climb to levels not seen since mid-April. Actually, it's been a while since we've seen anything like this. The community is now encouraging Shiba Inu to continue eliminating zeros from its price, and optimism has returned. Keeping this in mind, each small step brings us closer to the finish line. The current success of the Shiba Inu can be attributed to a number of elements within its ecology. One important aspect is the continuous burning of Shiba Inu tokens, which adds to the quantity of tokens and raises their value. With the acceptance of spot Ethereum ETFs, Shiba Inu, a native token on the Ethereum blockchain, stands to benefit from the rising market liquidity. No need to forget, the trading is about to begin very soon. The expected cash infusion and decoupling from Bitcoin both bode well for Shiba Inu's future growth. The iceberg is far larger than this, though. Shytoshi Kusama just dropped a bombshell on us today, and the timing is perfect. Leonardo da Vinci. In light of the present market circumstances, Jeremy, a prominent Bitcoin advocate, has once again voiced his bullish feelings towards Shiba Inu. Jeremy, who gained fame in May 2013 for his popular YouTube video in which he urged viewers to put $1 into Bitcoin, is now promoting the benefits of Shiba Inus. Keep in mind that Jeremy has been endorsing Shiba Inus since January, August, and October of last year. He has been vocal about his desire to see Shiba Inu's support in January and has urged investors to think about it again this year. The timing of his endorsements is what's amazing. The value of Shiba Inus seems to increase whenever he mentions them. His enthusiasm for Shiba Inu is bolstered by his track record of spotting chances in the cryptocurrency business, including his early promotion of Bitcoin during its incredibly inexpensive price. Back then, even $1 invested in Bitcoin would have made a lot of money now. The future of cryptocurrency is thus profoundly affected by his return to supporting Shiba Inu. It is believed that the market's current lucrative position will significantly alter its future possibilities. Today, though, things become interesting since Dave Vency's latest piece of advice isn't exactly conventional. Similar to how he described his approach to purchasing Bitcoin, he is now outlining a plan for purchasing Shiba Inu. In a previous video, he brought attention to the fact that Shiba Inu prices had risen, generating profits for some, but were now falling. Shiba Inu's price went risen, he said, much throughout the months of February and March of this year, yielding enormous returns for those who put their money into the market. To illustrate the point, you could have made $1 in Bitcoin for every $10,000 you could put into Shiba Inu. However, in as little as 7 days, $10,000 could have grown into more than $47,000 by investing in Shiba Inu. But here we are. The Shiba Inu's price is going up according to the chart he provided. It follows a specific pattern while it fixes itself. The price of Shiba Inu, in his opinion, could rise again if they manage to break out of this pattern. He claims that another significant price increase may occur if Shiba Inu reaches specific levels, such as $4.25, $4.30. Zero. He and another analyst named Shiba Inu might have a target price of $4.60. Zero. This surge. And believe me when I say that's a gain of over 100%. Therefore, Da Vinci plans to purchase Shiba Inu when their prices drop below a specific threshold. Reacting to Dave Vinci's advice with a Dragon Ball man is very remarkable, demonstrating that the chief developer of Shiba Inu is on board with it. You won't believe what happened next. With the help of head developer Shytoshi Kusama, Shiba Inu truly shattered the pricing threshold specified by Da Vinci in the video today. Although the price is currently correcting somewhat, things could turn out well if sufficient support is shown. Just because this happened doesn't mean the massive price increase has ended. At the same time, the Shiba Inu leader is on the verge of reaching a major milestone: 1 million followers on XApp, the site formerly known as Twitter. About a week has gone by since Kusama last tweeted. In the space between each tweet, except until today. Prior to his tweet, Da Vinci addressed the Shiba Inu community with a message that touched on the breed. The dog barked. Plus, as you may already be aware if you're into Shiba Inu, it's usually a pretty bullish sign. The same as in March, when he frequently sent messages along these lines, and in the span of a few days, the price of Shiba Inu skyrocketed. Okay then, we can't help but wonder if this is the beginning of a new wave because we've seen him tweet similar messages before. How tall can a Shiba Inu possibly get this time? Is this a second growth spurt or is something else going on? Our analysis of historical trends and market data in the cryptocurrency space has led us to these inquiries. When patterns like this emerge, it's a sign that the market is shifting. Historically, Kusama's tweets have fallen in time with market fluctuations. What might happen after this? We just can't help but wonder. We remain optimistic about the possibility of another surge, but we remain cautious due to the rapidity with which things can shift in the crypto sector. And surprisingly, however, there is a catch. As per the data stored on the blockchain, someone who was heavily involved in the meme coin movement recently liquidated their holdings and invested roughly $1 million into Shiba Inu. And thus the inquiry emerges. Are they privy to information that eludes us? On the other hand, are they merely capitalizing on the market's current enthusiasm? Although it's difficult to say with certainty. One thing is definite. An investment of this magnitude is not made carelessly. It's probable that a lot of planning and consideration went into it. However, how do you feel about that? Drop a comment in the space provided. Your comment would be